Oh yeah, it got cold again. 49 outside and 70 inside.
Oh yeah, it is definitely a difference. I went to bed last night and had to use 3 sets of covers to warm up. My nose was so cold. All right, we're gonna start out this very pretty outside. Let me show you. Look at that, not a cloud in the sky. It's beautiful outside. We're gonna open this and see what coffee is for today's Advent calendar. So join me on today's adventure. Officially the halfway point. Can you believe it? It's going so fast. Christmas and Hanukkah are on the same day this year, and that's only 13 days away. Okay, chocolate coconut coffee. Ooh, that sounds good. Let's go make it. Today we're gonna go for some vanilla creamer with half a tablespoon of mocha and half a tablespoon of coconut, since that is what the flavor is, to just enhance it. By the way, if you need a good coconut syrup for coffees and stuff, now this is not sugar-free, but it's really good. It was suggested to me to go along with the macadamia nut, to make a macadamia nut coconut coffee. When we got back from Hawaii, we were making those a lot. And this is the 183. You can get this on Amazon. It's really, really good. I don't know what other flavors they have, but it's a good one. All right, here we go. It smells good. Oh, this is a good one. Coconut and chocolate. And typically I don't like a lot of coconut, but this is very good. All right, let's go see what wine we have, because we haven't figured out what we're having for dinner yet. And maybe we'll work it around the wine. I don't know. It depends on what's on that list. So let's go check it out. All right. Number 12. A red blend from Spain. Ooh, I enjoy a red blend. Let's see what grapes are in it. All right. So this red blend is going to have notes of blackcurrant, black cherry, baking spices, and mocha. That sounds lovely. Let me see what grapes they are. Cabernet Sauvignon lovers. Not usually for me, but full-bodied wine from Portugal. Juicy, dry, with ripe, spicy, dark fruit. Velvet oak. I do like an oaky wine. Okay, so this has got a Tempranillo, Garnacha, and Monastrell, as well as international varieties. Paella. Evan makes a great paella, but obviously we're not having that now. Lamb chops and Monchango cheese and charcuterie platter. I don't think we have Monchango. We're having soup tonight. That's what we're having. All right, let's go see what cheese is paired with this. Okay, number 12 is, this is a cheddar. Oh, the red Leicester. We have not had this one yet. All right, I'm gonna pour it and we will taste. So here's the thing. This says Spain, and what I just read said Portugal. They're quite next to each other. We were only in Portugal for what, 2 hours? Maybe. How long we were there? A couple hours?
At least 4 hours.
At least 4 hours? It was on a tour from a ship that we were on. All right. It mainly is going to have more of a cab feel to it. Tempranillo, some mocha, dark cherry. This also has some oak, which I'm fine with. Very cabbish. I don't like cabs. Too heavy.
I don't mind the heaviness.
It's a little acidic for me.
And there's an aftertaste that I don't.
All right, let's try it with the cheese. I think red Leicester is like a bitey cheese, right? Just break it in half. Thanks.
Cheese is very good.
Mm-hmm. Better with the cheese. 1000%. You missed yesterday's. Yesterday's was the surprise. Riesling, which normally I cannot drink, was not acidic, wasn't crazy sweet, and I totally enjoyed it without the cheese. The last night's cheese was black pepper.
Then it wasn't a Riesling.
It was a Riesling. No, there's
If it's not sweet it's not acidic, how do you call it a Riesling?
Because Rieslings run the gamut of crazy sweet to not crazy sweet, just like a Chardonnay will go from a buttery on one side to super citrusy on the other side with some in the middle. I like the buttery ones. What do you think with the pairing of the cheese?
It's better, but I still don't care for the wine.
I would agree with that statement. Wait, I did that backwards. Yeah, I'd rather us open a bottle of Cooper's Hawk wine and have a little charcuterie before our soup today. So when Evan makes soup, we always have leftovers. So is this the beef one, Evan?
Yes.
So this is the beef soup, homemade, and it's so good. Is this the one with the brisket as the base?
No.
No, that was the
French onion.
That was the French onion soup, which we do have one out there, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But we decided I'm doing the beef one tonight instead. And I'm about to go start a fire in the fireplace because it is cold out. I made a little impromptu charcuterie board with stuff we had already in the house. We're going to have this while we watch a show. I'm going to light a fire. And I'll come back in a little bit to close it all out. And got a nice fire going. It's 55 degrees outside and it is only 7:20, which is pretty early for 55 degrees here. I know it sounds crazy if you live up north, but that's cold for us Floridians. All right, that's going to do it for today, day 12. And I'm going to go back and finish watching the rest of Ripley. It's a series on Netflix where the actor is up for a Golden Globe. I'm on episode 6. I'd started watching it months ago, stopped because it was also up for an Emmy. And now I have 3 more episodes left and then I'm done. And so it's really good if you haven't seen it yet. Done it all in black and white. It's done very, very well. All right, well, on that note, thank you for tuning into The Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure, which is tomorrow for day 13. Good night.